Okay, hello everyone. This is a quick demonstration on how to go live on Google Hangouts. So if you watch my Magewell HDMI to USB 3.0 video, then you'll know how to set this up. Right now it's all ready to go. So I have the camera hooked up and it's got the mini HDMI out and it's going into the capture device. Okay, so here is the capture device. And so the USB connection is right here, and this is going to go directly into your PC. Here's the HDMI signal going right into the capture device. No other drivers are needed. So if you want to check out that video, see how to set this up in my review of it, go check it out. Okay, so the USB 3.0 is directly connected into your USB 3.0 port. And then you gotta have a Google Plus account, which I do. So here's my Google Plus account. Alright, so how you're gonna find the Hangouts, it's on your Google Plus account. You're gonna go and you're gonna find it under your apps for Google Plus. So in my case, it's right here in this corner, so you're gonna hit that. You're gonna have all these come up, and what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says more. Alright, so you're going to go down to where it says more, and then you want to go to Hangouts. Alright, so click on Hangouts. That should take you to the next screen. Okay, so on this screen, you're going to go over and you want to go under video call. So you're going to click that. Okay, so now you're in the Google's Hangout. And in order to set up your device, you want to go to this cogwheel right here on the top, and you're going to hit that. And that's going to open up this window here. So on this window, you're going to choose your device. So I already have chosen my device, but just so you see what it looks like. So you don't want to do the camera unless that's all you have, and that's what you do. But the device is chosen. And then I have a different audio interface, so you will pick that, or you just leave it to the default and your speakers, and then you just hit done, and then you should be ready to go. Alright, so that's how you go on Google Hangouts, and I hope this was useful to you, and give me a comment if that's what you use, and thanks for checking out the video. So this is also for my friend, so he knows how to go on a Google Hangout without using OBS, and this is going directly into the PC using Magewell USB to HDMI capture device. Alright, thanks for checking this out. Leave me some comments if this was helpful to you. Alright, thanks. Bye.